Alright guys, so today on this episode we'll be replacing the rear brake pads and rotors on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. To review the tools, all we need today, so it's an 18mm caliper bolts for the rear. To remove the dowel pins, we have a hammer, and to remove the rotor, we have a flathead screwdriver. We have our stuff to take off our wheel, and then also too we have our dowel to remove these dowels. So here's our new brake pads, Z26s. Here's our hardware kit. We have 2 new dowels. This is what we're going to be punching out with this metal dowel and a hammer. About a 1/8 of an inch thick. Could go a bit bigger. And then this is our holder there. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the wheel. Nice and easy. Lemon squeezy. So we're just going to knock these 2 pins out. Look at that. Easy. And we got this, right? But we also have these all the way through. There you go. Wiggle it out. Next, so we got that. Take that out. So now we need to compress the brake pads, okay, with the existing rotor. It's right up against it. Okay. All right. Here they are. There you go, just like cartridges, NES cartridges, remember those? Nice and easy, lemon squeezy, bam. Next, let's just make sure that the pistons are completely compressed, because if they're not fully compressed, can't fit the new ones in. You can see here that the pistons are completely compressed, 18. That one behind here and up top. That's the rear. Look at this way. There's that bottom one. There you go. So the 1/2-inch ratchet really helps. Man, right there, in behind. That's the top one. There you go. So we avoid this guy right here. And then we'll do our good old extension in the back. There you go. Just to break it, bro. That out. See this? Nice. That. Once you get it underneath, right? Let it lip up. And then go out. Said. Look at that. Smell the hammer. Right. Right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash everything with brake cleaner. So we need to make the parking brake pads closer together. That's how we do it. Screwing the screw outwards. Screws going this way. I'm pushing parking brake into its extremities. Well, this is gonna hold it in place. Some grease. There. That was easy. See how easy it is just to go in? We didn't even use any C-clamps, right? Get our new dowel. Line up the holes. We're gonna put the bottom one in first, just to line everything up. Bam. Next. Here is our holder thing, put at the bottom. See, we're locked in at the bottom. Take our other new one, slide it, and all right, see? A lot easier. could just tap it in with a hammer. Here we are. Nice and easy, lemon squeezy. I like it. Looks good. We got our O-ring in there. Let's put our new pads, so they're gonna go on the other side. Okay. So let's put our wheel back on. $110 foot-pounds. This is the rear. We're gonna do the passenger side rear, and we're gonna do the driver's side. Exciting stuff. Good stuff. We're done with our brake job, and now it is time to bed the brakes. So, because we compressed the calipers, the caliper pistons, always, okay, pump your brakes again until they're hard. Re-engage the pistons so they're back on the rotors. Okay, next, another important thing. Whenever you do a brake job, always do the brake-in procedure. Luckily, this box comes with instructions, so we don't have to look it up or guess, or, you know, always look at your manufacturer's instructions for it. So these are the instructions for these setups. Might be different from brembo, but they're all generally the same. So I went through this before. This will be in the description for you guys to follow. Pretty much 5 aggressive decelerations from 40 to 10, and then 5 moderate decelerations, 35 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour, and then a cool down period of 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Number one thing too is to not brake. Okay, you don't want to imprint anything if you come to a full stop. There's smoke involved. There's some glaze that comes off, there's some oils, so that's part of the whole bedding procedure, right? So let's go ahead and do this. So we're back, we bedded the brakes. That is how we changed the rear brake pads and rotors on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 392 Hemi. All right, so that was pretty easy. We used the Z26 powerstop brake kit. It came with 1-piece rotors and the brake pads, as well as the hardware kit. So it was all in one package, one purchase kind of thing. So I put the details in the comments and in the description for you to check out. Basically just the part number. Catch you guys later. Watch another video. Peace.